In the face of growing environmental concerns and the urgent need for sustainable waste management practices, the monitoring and detection of methane emissions at solid waste sites has never been more crucial. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas, poses significant challenges not only to environmental health, but also to safety and regulatory compliance within solid waste operations. Kespry Cloud provides an unparalleled view of methane gas concentrations across solid waste sites, combining Kespry mission data with detailed site maps and infrastructure overlays. In this video, we will demonstrate the methane detection features of Kespry Cloud that will allow solid waste site operators to identify potential infrastructure issues, optimize methane gas collection and control systems, ensure regulatory compliance, and enhance the safety of their operation. Let's take a look at each of the methane detection and analysis tools now available for solid waste customers in Kespry Cloud. At first glance, it will appear business as usual. However, solid waste customers will now have a methane option added to the map menu in the lower right. Expand the menu and choose methane. Your map will update to display any concentrations of methane that have been detected on your site. The color scale on the right can be used to adjust the desired range of methane, which is represented in parts per million meters. I'm going to change these values so I can see concentrations that range from 500 to 1200. I can also adjust the transparency so I can get a better look of what may be underneath a given area. You can also leverage a few existing tools along with a new tool specific to methane while you are evaluating your site. You can calculate the area around a specific concentration or any area of interest on your site for that matter. Cross-sections can be drawn so you can dial in the specific concentrations found along that section. Drop points can be added to the map, along with the ability to enter a description and also to see the latitude and longitude of that point. Scan Methane is a new option that allows you to add a point to a specific area of your site in order to see not only the latitude and longitude, but the detected level of methane as well. Scan Methane points are not saved to your map like a drop point. After you have performed your analysis, click the Scan Methane option again to remove the point. Under the Layers tab on the right, you will see one or two options. By selecting wind vector, wind data will be added to the map. The direction and speeds shown represent the conditions at the time of the flight. This can be beneficial if you're trying to determine where a plume is coming from. For example, could it be coming from a nearby well, or could it be coming from a nearby oil and gas plant, or even another solid waste site? If you have provided the Firmatek support team with a CAD file of your gas collection and control system, you will have a CAD option available. When selected, your gas collection control system will display showing you the entire system, including all of the wells on your site, which are represented by a small circle. Seeing the gas collection and control system overlay, along with wind data, can help me further analyze the concentrations of methane detected at the time of the mission. For example, if I focus on this particular well, while there does not appear to be a concentration of methane directly over the well, the plume display just to the northeast could still indicate a potential issue with the well since the plume is in the direction the wind was blowing at the time. And again, I can adjust the transparency so I can easily see what is underneath a given concentration of methane. Also, don't forget about the snapshot tool. It's not specific to methane tools, but it's a good way to be able to zoom into an area on your site and take a snapshot that can be shared with other individuals to review. Thank you for taking the time to learn about methane detection and analysis in Kespry Cloud. If you should have any questions about this new functionality, or if you are interested in adding an overlay of your gas collection control system, please reach out to our support team by sending an email to support@firmatek.com or call 210-651-4990 and choose the option for drone support.